In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook post shareable. If you want your content to reach a wider audience, stick around. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in the app, tap on what's on your mind to create a new post. Type in your message, add photos, or share a link. Before you hit post, look for the audience selector right below your post or right above the post. It is usually defaults to friends or only me. Tap on it. Simply choose on public. This makes your post shareable by anyone, even those who aren't on your friend list. Now that you've set your audience to public, go ahead and tap post, and your content is now shareable. If you want to double check, navigate to your profile and find the post, and you can check it over there. And that's it. You've successfully made your Facebook post shareable.